Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to use WhatsApp profile, WhatsApp polls on 2025 version. So to do that, let's head over to our WhatsApp application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then just head over to your profile and head over to any group because only polls are created or used in groups. So then tap on the three dots on the top right, and in here just go to, if you can't find the poll option there, then just tap on the paperclip icon just beside the camera icon, and here you will find the option of poll just beside the event option. Tap on poll, and here ask a question like A, B, C, or D, and add as many as option you want. I'm creating currently 4 options. So once you're done with it, if you want to allow multiple answers from people, then just tap on the paper plane icon, and uh the poll is launched. So yeah, this is how you can just create or use WhatsApp polls on 2025. Hope this video will help you out, and if you face any problem, just comment it down and we'll reach out to you. We'll see you in the next video.